Hey guys, I'm coming to you today with a demo view of the two Jamaican Mango and Lime products, the paraben-free conditioner, and I also have the Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Mango Papaya. First, let's talk about the Jamaican Black Castor Oil paraben-free conditioner. The price, I believe it was $7.99, but you can find it on some websites for $5.99. And it's 8 full ounces, 237 milliliters. So you definitely get your a bang for your buck. Here's a clip of the consistency. It's a thin, light, kind of almost white cream consistency. It's not that thick, but it's not runny either. It's a good consistency. Directions say, apply a generous amount throughout the hair from root to ends. Leave in for a few minutes to penetrate and condition hair. Rinse out of hair thoroughly. To deep condition hair, sit under a hooded dryer for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse out of hair thoroughly. Proceed to style hair as desired. For extra shine and conditioning, apply your choice of Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I found that if I leave this deep conditioner on overnight, I get the best results. Either overnight or with heat under a hooded dryer. Just leaving it on for 3 to 5 minutes doesn't really do much for me. So if I sit under the hooded dryer, I will sit under there for about 15 minutes. My hair just feels so soft and it smells so sweet and just yummy and delicious. The smell of this deep conditioner is so yummy and tropical. It smells like a pina colada. I will leave the ingredients of this deep conditioner on my blog, which is bbscoilywool.blogspot.com, and I'll also leave the ingredients for the actual black castor oil on the blog as well. But this deep conditioner, I've been using this probably for about 3 months or so, and this is my current moisturizing deep conditioner. So next up is the actual Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I put a really good article by Natural Haven down below, so go ahead and check out that link if you want to read all about the difference between the light castor oil, the dark castor oil, and she has a lot of great scientific facts. So I'll apply it, as you can see in this clip here, I'm applying it after I put my deep conditioner in and before I get up under the dryer. Now that I have applied the deep conditioner all over, I like to go in with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and I just put it on my scalp so my scalp can kind of get a bit of the deep conditioner as well as the oil. I have a mixture here, of maybe about that much olive oil, a bit of the Africa's Best herbal oil, and then the rest, which is probably about that much, of this mango and papaya Jamaican Black Castor Oil. That's all in here. So I just go and put this in my little root area. Just kind of put it down in there. So I'm kind of getting a deep condition and hot oil treatment all in one. So I'm just putting it, oops, dripping on myself. Just putting a little bit inside here and just focusing on my scalp because I have extremely dry scalp. So, and I'm going to put a baggie on it and head to the dryer, the hooded dryer. I would suggest this Jamaican Black Castor Oil, one, because it's a thin consistency, so if you have fine hair like a lot of people have, this isn't going to weigh your hair down. And it's not, if you've ever tried any other brands of Jamaican Black Castor Oil or just castor oil in general, you know that the consistency is very, very thick. So this oil, it has a couple of other oils mixed in with it. For example, carrot oil and papaya oil, which thins out the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, so it's easier to apply to your hair. And as you can see here, it's just a really thin consistency, which is, like I said, is really good for people with fine hair. To me, it doesn't matter either way, thick or thin consistency. I like them all. Also, they have a variety of fragrances. The fragrances in here aren't irritating fragrances. At least I haven't found them to be irritating. I've tried the original Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and here I have the mango and papaya, which smells delicious, and it's the other Jamaican black castor oils, like from other companies, just a straight Jamaican black castor oil, it has a smoky smell. So if you don't like smoky smells, try this one out. It's a mango and papaya, and they have several different other kinds of castor oil. It's like a mixture kind of castor oil, and I'll also have that listed on my blog. And if you guys have any questions, absolutely leave them down below. If you haven't, subscribe. Guys, thanks for sticking around with me, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye, guys.